few other people that we hang out with. I haven't showed their cars on the channel because I haven't been with them with the camera yet. But we're heading to Barnies. There should be a lot of good cars there. They've got a dyno there. I don't know what the go is with that. I might be able to throw this on the dyno. I highly doubt it because that's probably going to be booked out. So yeah, we'll have a look at all the cars that are there, right?
Cure for all the pain. What can I do? I keep falling for you. Wrong fall so true. I keep falling for you.
We're here, but there's a lineup about 1 kilometre long. That's how you know it's going to be a good car meet.
I know you're home, waiting for the night, waiting alone. I see the light flickering beside your curtain's eye. This sure is love, but it's hard to.
It's pretty hot.
It is.
It's a bit of a warm one.
I can't even see your face.
Really? Well, I had it. Is it on my face now? Hi, Jack. Oh, thanks. Oh, we got some Evos.
Wrong fall so true. I keep falling for you. Falling for you. This sure is love. This sure is.
I drive past that car every day on my way to work. This rap. They go to Gangster Raps, Sumner Park. I don't know if the guy owns it, but I drive past. I drive past this car every day, and it's like, oh, look at that quality. That was right, yeah. Gangster. Come in. Look at these rims. Damn. Some chrome on that. What are your thoughts, bud? What are your thoughts? Oh, we're going to be in a photo.
I'm a 34 fan, but it's not bad, eh?
Not bad. Good size.
Of course you found the 33.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Would you just look at that? Not wrapped. Look at that. That's awesome. That's a really awesome paint job. Damn.
Wait, look at the Yates. That's her other Yates.
Who's the other?
What are your thoughts on that one, big fella?
Rather BS that colour, eh?
Hey, Michaela, what your car's missing?
Yes.
Boost.
Go look in the boot.
Bottle of freedom. Damn. big meaty boys on the back, this thing would haul ass. Damn. Another very nice Supra. Oh, there it is. Is that Jaden's AU? We might head off soon, get ourselves a snack pack. Tonight feels like a snack pack kind of night. Is this a Miata? Is this a Miata? Pretty sure it's a Miata.
Yeah.
They look the same. Pretty sure that's a Miata. What's been done to it?
Exhaust, coilovers, wheel.
Keeping
And
it simple.
intake to come.
No tune?
Oh yeah.
It's very nice.
With downpipe.
It's very nice. Not many people know what these are. They're very quick. Are they quick? I think it's more confuses people because they don't know what it is, and then you get on top of it before they know what's happened. And then we have my boy Sean's Miata. This is a Miata, isn't it? I like it. And as always, Fat 33, Fatty. Fatty, there it is. Everyone's rolling out. Alright, we're heading off now. It's time to go get ourselves a snack pack. And I'm sure there'll be some sort of racing. Yeah, the YouTube video clip of that car's already up. Yeah. Well, bring the Ranger to get snack packs.
Where's snack packs?
I don't know idea. Wherever they're going. Oh, let's go, baby! Time for a kebab. Well, actually, a snack pack. Is that a Miata? Nice cruisy drive here. Let's go get ourselves a mean feed. Yeah, I've got a YouTube film everything. That's the whole point of doing YouTube movies. Taxed in kebab and pizza. They make a gnarly snack pack. Connor, any final words after today's events?
Wasn't bad.
Wasn't bad.
Wasn't bad.
Had,
Wasn't great. Wasn't bad.
Wasn't great, wasn't bad. Bit of a sketchy drive home, had cops following us.
Yes.
Nothing wrong with the cars. Cars are fully legal, completely legal. Every car on this channel is legal stock and mod plated. But, you know, never can be too safe. So, anyway, thanks for watching. I need to get out the outro.
Like, share, subscribe.
And we'll catch you next time.